from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Vietnamese avocado smoothie. For this easy recipe, you need 1 avocado, half a cup of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of regular milk, and approximately half a cup of ice cubes. And there's no cooking needed, all you need is a blender. So I'm going to start by cutting avocado in half. And I'll scoop out the avocado. And take out the pit. And now I will put avocado in a blender and chop it into big pieces just so it's easier to blend. And now let's add it to the blender. And now I will add the rest of the ingredients. So here's half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And half a cup of regular milk. And half a cup of ice cubes. And now let's blend everything until it's combined. Everything is blended, so our avocado smoothie is ready. Look at that. Such a nice thick smoothie. Now if you want it to be thinner, you can always add more milk until it's thin to desired consistency. But I like my smoothie on the thicker side. I just find they're more filling that way, so let's now take it out of the blender and put it in a glass. Looks so creamy. Perfect. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try this avocado smoothie. It's so good, so creamy, so delicious, and so sweet. This is an awesome combination. If you never try it, you gotta try this smoothie. And this is super filling. It has healthy avocado. It's a great breakfast on the go. You will love it, and it's super easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!